Just let's fill body a little bit. Then make 8 single crochet stitches. Now let's do 3 with arm, the same way as we did with legs, but now it's 3. And because row always move in first stitch, we need to see, that's why we fill the body a little bit, we need to see where exactly we need to attach hands, and I think it will be good like this. So let's try to make 3 stitches, 2, 3, and then 3 with the arm. Let's see if it looks even. Yeah, I think it's even, right? So now we just need to end this row. So just crochet 1 more stitch in this row